is Harvey J from Maxx Communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can activate your assistive touch button. That means a floating touch button to your iPhone 13. This is iPhone 13, a dashing looking phone. We have to go to setting option in this case. In setting you have to find this option, it's called accessibility. Hit this one. In accessibility you should see this option you call touch. See here, hit the touch option. In touch, the first one, assistive touch. Here we go, you see assistive touch button. Hit this one for activate. You see green here, and you see the floating home button here. So good. I hit this one, I hit home button. Come inside, so working properly. So setting, in setting you have to find this accessibility, hit this one, then touch, then this one. You can change the functionality of each button as well. Okay, so this is very basic tutorial how to activate. Also the same way you can deactivate if you don't want of this one. So how you can activate, also deactivate assistive touch button to your iPhone 13, 13 Pro, Pro Max, whatever version you have. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye.